Hello guys, hello mga kasaskili. Magandang food. So andito tayo sa Anilaw, Batangas, sa Seashore Spring Resorts. Yan. Andito tayo Anilaw, Batangas. Dito ang hit natin for this afternoon event, Saturday afternoon event. So yan, ito nasa right side ko ang dagat. Bibis muna tayo. So makikita nyo, naka-uniform pa ako ng land ko. Yan guys. So ito. Mamaya tayo magsiset up ng gamit after ng init. Masyadong mainit guys. Sige, see you later guys. Bye. Yes guys, ito tayo. Nakapagpalita tayo ng case outfit na tayo guys. So ito guys yung dagat at may left side ng tayo. Yan. Dagat guys. So di pa makapag-set up ng di pa ako makapag-set up ng gamit kasi tawag dito mainit pa doon sa pwesto namin, naka-direct expose pa kami sa sunlight. Ayan guys, so pagka wala na ang init, try na natin mag-set up. Okay, pag palitan tayo ng damit. Hinapo ako, malayo pala to. Malayo. This is not what I'm expecting na layo. Pero dulo pala to ng Anilaw, Batangas. Mabuti na kaya ni Tami. Good, congratulations. Good, good, good. Para kay Tami. Tami po yung aking honor. So, good, good, good si Tami. At mamaya na lang pag-gawin natin babalatunan si Tami. Okay, salamat guys. Ito na yung event place namin ngayon.
Isang buwan daw. Anong bamili ka ko ng buwan? Okay. Isang buwan. Isa pa. Ano, eri ulit? Ano? Uy, happy birthday. Yan, ilang na lang ba? How many minutes before? Bakit advance ka? 11:29 ka na. Ito, yung laptop mo. Okay. Madami pala tayong guest singers. Ayan, oo.
Mas malaban pala yung mga pitahan.
Galing mo.
Ayos talaga! Kapal naman pa. Mamaya pa mo.
Ate, ate! Isa pa, may isa pa. Bon, sino? Nasaan? Ginagawa mo? Nasaan?
Oh, yan. Ayan, meron yan.
Maganda ata yung baby ni Bon.
Hindi ko alam. Si Bon. Pwede naman si Bon. Si Bon lang yung nasa.
Ayun, ayun, nako. Yan, masarap yan doon.
Ineng! Tutal! Yes!
Sore.
Akin ba to? Akin ba to? Hindi ko na alam saan kasi Bon. Yan na yun! Ineng! Ineng!
It's buried in my soul, like California gold. I found the light in me that I couldn't find. When the sun goes down and the man goes away, I know it's this way. When you look at me, the whole world fades.
Tatay.
Hello,
ilang banog to?
this way.
Para sa akin daw, pero
Happy birthday.
Ano kata?
Ang traffic ka!
Ayan, ang dami pa rin nating guest singers for tonight. And of course, before we call on our next chapter, so let's give way muna. Siyempre, sa ating birthday and boy, hindi na boy pala. Birthday man. Binata na yun. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, join us as we sing a happy birthday song to Tito Bon. Come on! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Alright, so meron pa po ba tayong jammers? And again, gusto ko muna namin muling magpasalamat for having us here tonight. Of course, din yung aming Dalagan family. Thank you all so much po. Maraming salamat. And ayun, sige ba niyo kung daw? Sige.
Ano ko sa kayo yung dog? That's it, Mike. And I'm gonna do this song that you ever heard before. And you know what? I know you know this song, baby. From the way back. So if you know this song, you know what? Alas rin ang gabi, nakilala ko tuloy yung magandang babae na nakarami. Dahil sa aking mga mata, hindi ko alam ay malulungan lang ba kami. Tonight, let's come to the
Okay. O, sa kapatid ni Mary, ang ating jammer. And again, happy birthday po to Marietta and to Tito Juan. Yan, sa ating next jammer. Kasama ka ba ulit? Ikaw tutugtog ang ating
Kailangan tutugtog.
birthday celebrant. Okay, hello po. Yan, ano pong name niyo, ma'am? Crystal, ayan. Kasi hindi niya inalam. Basta sabi niya kapatid daw ni Mary. Opo, ang kapatid ni Mary si Crystal.
Si Mary. Tumama daw sa atin.
Uy! Hindi kaya na.
Birthday bond. The birthday bond. Ikaw naman, sinabak mo si Mary, kinakabahan daw siya. Isipin mo na lang walang tao, pikit ka na lang. Okay.
Nagawa na kayo, Kuya Ted.
At sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutan sa na ako'y sa'yo ika'y aking lang.
Moment ng birthday boy yun eh.
Ayan. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday!
Oh, happy birthday. Sayang wala si Babe niya. Hindi nakarating si Babe. May klase si Babe. Pero dito yun, nandiyaring sila. Anyways, ayun, maraming salamat po muli sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Dahil laging family, Ninang Ami. Maraming salamat Ninong Apple. Sa inyo pong lahat. Ay, bakit ako? Ayan, sige. So, we're just going to give you a couple of songs. So, muli kami po The Shadow Sounds, Teddy and Ken. So, that's one I would like to give you some love song. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo ulit makikanta sa amin, pwede po yan. Before we finally end of the night. Romantic is both inside. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart's full of empties when you pass by and get by. So here's a time for Mrs. Vanessa Williams. Again, if you know the song, you can sing along with me. Grab the mic, come on. Sometimes the snow comes down in June. Sometimes the sun goes round the moon. I see the passion in your eyes. Sometimes it's all a big surprise. 'Cause there was a time when all I did was wish you tell me this was love. At doon po nagtapos ng bigla-bigla ang aming set. So anyways, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Itong gulong ko na. Hindi. Super proud ako na pamangkin ko to kung nag-perform tonight. Thank you so much, Kuya Teddy and Ken. And asawa po siya ni Kuya Joms. Ayan. Congratulations sa Ilagan family for the successful one. Ano? Ayan. Tagumpay na naman tayong pamilya. At para bigyan natin ng respeto din ang mga natutulog na. So, congratulations and God bless everyone. Ano? Yan, at may last song pa siguro si Ate Ken. Para bago tayo mag-end up, ano? Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa pagmamahal nyo, Inay. Ayan, ako. Happy birthday sa Lubo!
Muli maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. So, we're gonna leave you a song from...
Salamat!
Ayan, salamat po, salamat. So, may natutulog na daw po. Here we go.
Exotic sweetness and magical time. Sing along with me for the last time. Come on, everyone. Say it again. I love you always, forever, miracle. Let's stay together everywhere. I will be with you everything. I'm working for you. I love you always, forever, miracle. And everywhere I will be with you everything. I'm working for you. Say it love me forever, never stop. Not for whatever, never forward, always and everywhere and every. Say you'll never love me forever, never stop. Not for whatever, never forward, always and everywhere and every. Say the Shadow Sounds. Thank you so much. Thank you din po, Kuya Aris. The best intensity. Yan. Pag hire po kayo, kontakin nyo lang ako at makokontak natin si Kuya Aris.